Hi, this is the intro for all the SHTF mystery gear unboxings. Okay? I'm only expecting three things from the box. One, stuff I'll use. B, stuff I could use, meaning, yeah, I could use that in my life. And stuff I would use in a pinch. Now, I will be ranking each box, each item in the box anyway, since everyone has their own, like it, don't like it, meh pile. Like it would be, as I would call it, I would use gladly in SHTF. My don't like it is I wouldn't use this for SHTF, excuse me. And the meh pile would be if I had to use it and it's the only thing I had, I would use it for SHTF. Since it's the SHTF mystery box. Anyway, let's get to the unboxings. Okay. SHTF came. And it looks like it is August box of 2022. First on the list, Delta Defender Dive Knife and Sheath. Okay. Let me put it this away. I opened it with my neck knife. Put that in my pocket. Ooh, yeah. This is it. Is it? I don't know. I have no freaking clue. Looks like a couple things. Looks like I need a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. Then what's the other thing then? Let's see. I'm opening both sides just in case. Okay, let's see what this is. Yep. Dive knife. Basically, it's a little dive knife. I have no friggin' clue. Comes with the sheath, but I guess this is just to have it on you. I guess. Wait, let's see that knife. Wait, how do I? Oh, okay, yeah. You do this. You push that. Huh. Looks like I did. What? I did it the wrong way? I don't know. But it says Aquatic Demolition Unit. It's by Delta Defender. I would actually use that. I would use that because it's like a Bowie and I will use this. I guarantee that right now. And you just, that's nice. That is really nice. Let me just say right now. That is really nice. That is really, really nice. That's a really nice little knife. Huh. I don't know how good it's going to be, but it's okay. Next on the corner is the Trailblazer waterproof 4-pack matches. I'm actually happy about this because, oh, and by the way, as I said, when I use it for SHTF, when I not use it for SHTF, and if I had to, I would use it. The knife, that's going in the will use pile. The 4-pack of matches, they're the red ones, I believe. You see? But yeah, this is definitely going to will use for SHTF purposes because, it's very nice. I know y'all have seen these many times, but, wrong. Looks like they're the matches with the red. I'm going to keep these as is because you don't know when I'm going to need them. These are a good prep, too, by the way. These matches in general are good prep. Two things in the what do you use for SHTF. Third, Second Amendment, right to bear arms flag. Okay. Ooh, I got the thing I wanted. It is made in China. They say handcrafted in China. It's a big flag, honestly. I'm guessing it says Second Amendment right to bear arms. I guess, but that'd be really nice. This is in the, this is in the pile of, I don't know. It's not in the meh, or my meh pile, or would use an SHTF situation if needed be. That's what I had. Hopefully I do get September's box too. So I'll put that in whatever. Next will be the self-adhesive camo gear wrap. You could use this, honestly, I know it says gear wrap, but it looks like you could use it for wrapping around you. So yeah. I'm gonna keep this as is, I don't want the adhesive to, but yeah. That is gear wrap, yes, but it looks like I could use it for whatever. It's going in the, I would use it. Now, the last thing is the 50... Now, I get the primary box, by the way, because 20 bucks is in my range. 50-pack mini glow sticks. I am about that. You know what's funny? I saw these before. I'm like, I want those. They're literally a small 50-pack of, glow sticks. Of yellow. And, yeah, I would... Come on, these are useful, so definitely. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 things in the would definitely use for SHTF. So yeah. Also, I forgot free wrapping paper, as the Vroom Room would say. I'm more of a knife person, but I could definitely give this to someone who would use it. So yeah. Favorites? Definitely, one of my favorites is this one. Because that's a nice, it's a kind of a nice knife. But as you see, has a little bit of a thing like that. But I could probably just, I don't know. It is a little bit, like, lopsided because of, as you can see that. That has a little bit of a thing to it. I gotta do it at the right angle, see? But honestly, that doesn't devalue it for me because I really like this. This knife's pretty nice. Plus I got, I don't know what this is, there's no instructions, but, what else cool. So yeah, definitely use this in SHTF if, I would definitely use it. For SHTF purposes. Definitely, these are useful. I mean, come on, the waterproof matches. Why not, right? So, definitely happy about that. Camo, I know it's self-adhesive flexible gear wrap, but I see flexible, self-adhesive flexible, bandage wrap. That's what I see. And these are always useful. Come on. At least if when I start making, when I restart making anyway. And by the way, these are handcrafted in China by the finest minds of, whatever factory. So yeah, I would definitely give this to someone. Because I'm not really a flag person either. But I'm not mad at this. I'm not. Overall, first box, success. By the way, let me show you what I would have got if I would have got the, Pro or the Elite box. Wow, I would have got the automatic fish rod and reel. Whatever. That's what I would have got. Let me just bring my phone up. That's what I would have gotten if I would have got those two boxes. But I'm happy with the primary box as is. So, honestly, I ain't mad. Because a knife I'll use. Definitely use these. I mean, come on. Why not? The gear wrap I will use for medical. So I'll put this into a medical kit. These definitely are really helpful too. So yeah, honestly, August 22's, even though it's September. I guess I'm getting it. Let me see. Now, honestly, I'm not mad. I'm really not mad at it. You know what I do? I want to see if the knife will cut at least the box, because it's like a Bowie knife anyway. By the way, it's kind of, as you see, right there, it's kind of let me see if it'll cut. Wow, that needs sharpening. But honestly, for me, it feels nice in the hand, and it fits my hand perfectly, as you see. I could use this for whatever, so. I'm guessing you put that belt through here, and it's I'm mad, so, honestly. Oh, let me tell you, I forgot to tell you all the prices, but that's okay. The Delta Defender Dive Knife and Sheath is valued at $20.99. The waterproof matches 4-pack is $6.99. The flag is $14.99. The self-adhesive camo gear wrap or medical wrap, if you like me, $7.99. Which there's no reason you can't use it for that. And the mini glow sticks were $10. The box value for August is $60.95. Honestly, I'm mad because, for one, I was hoping for a knife anyway, because I'm starting to try to get my knife collection up again. By the way, that has no oil on it. I will oil it. I don't know if it's stainless steel or whatever, because there's nothing to indicate what it is. I'll have to look it up. Yeah. Now, the Pro Box, if I would have got the Pro Box, I would have got this GVT Tactical Outdoors watch. That would valued for $34.99. Oh, first aid kit. Oh. I'm hoping I do get a first aid kit. That in with EVA zippered case, $24.99. The rod and wheel would have been $27.99, and the dagger and vortex sheath was $69.99. But honestly, I'm happy with what I got. So, yeah. Anyway, time to, get this edited, uploaded. But yeah, peace, y'all.